So far throughout this chapter, we've been building towards finding numerical solutions. The technique that we're going to use is called simple iteration. There are various techniques for finding numerical solutions to equations, and this is just one of them. To use simple iteration, we have to find an equation in the form x equals g of x, where g is some function of x. We start with f of x equals 0. Remember, we've used this form in order to locate an interval in which a root lies. We then take f of x equals 0 and rearrange it in some way to get x equals g of x. Let's consider this graph as an example. We have y equals x squared minus 4, so f of x here is x squared minus 4. If we're interested in f of x equals 0, that means x squared minus 4 equals 0. That's this form. We can manipulate it to get this form. X squared is equal to 4, and then divide both sides by x, giving x equals 4 over x. So we have x equals, and our g of x here is 4 over x. Note by looking at the graph that for this equation we do know the exact solutions. We know the solutions to f of x equals 0 are at minus 2 and 2. Here we have y equals x and y equals 4 over x. The points of intersection are the solutions to the equation x equals 4 over x. This is of the form x equals g of x, which we know we need in order to perform simple iteration. Note the coordinates of the intersection. X is 2 and x is minus 2. This is the same as where the graph y equals f of x cut the x-axis. So we get the same solutions for x equals 4 over x as we do for x squared minus 4 equals 0. This is important as when using simple iteration we solve x equals 4 over x, and it will give us the same solutions as the original equation.